Mr. In Demand TV. You know, a real TV. Yes, a straight TV. It's not a lean TV. Yeah, it a go bust the place big. Me actually said that I'm out.
Yes, my people, I'm Mr. In Demand from the In Demand show. And you know, it's a flood there in Florida, so we just drive and I look out the place and place flooded. Yes, my people, the place flooded away. But so far the life not lost yet. Watch out, place flooded away, my people. Stay away, flood away. So you know. Going through the community. Place flooded away, serious way. You know what I say? Definitely. Yes, my people, Mr. In Demand from the In Demand show. I know nothing funny. But you know we are there with a local hurricane, Ian. We are pass through community and tear it up and do all kind of things as the place flooded away. So this is in a Pontiana and Marigold, my people. You see the road, one lane, look. One lane, my people. One lane. Look there. Look there. One lane. You see what I say? So, be careful out here. Hurricane not done, but we are hurricane hunter. So, we are on all hurricane and we are talking about it. Look the people, one way. All of the water taking submerge and come on the road. So as you can see, say, every car have to drive on the one lane. So it's a chaotic situation, but not say I heard. Definitely. So this is what's going on right now. I don't need a boat, nobody can cross it. Everybody be careful and be safe. As you can see, a one lane going up and one lane coming down because the water submerging on the road and take over the whole road. You see what I say? So, where is the sewer people? You see what I say? So, I want everybody to know, so yeah, big things are going on. Don't take it lightly, so. With all of that said and done, we're moving and we're moving to higher ground. The rain feel like it'll come back down, my people, but just some slight drizzling. Look where I go on, as we say. Road stay away. Definitely. Pontiana. Kissimmee. Yeah, I say you know. You see that? So people them out here and I move around and I do them things. So pray for them, and if you don't have a family member in Florida, call them and find out if them alright, if them safe, if them good. Because a whole heap of things are going on right now. Look, road underwater and one bag of things are going on. So we are going to try down and we are going to go on our next ends. Bless. We are going to go on our next ends and make you know what God don't need for know. See what I say? So, it's an In Demand. I'm going to move on to another spot because the rain has come down back right now. And we are the weather forecast. So, peace.